Blog promotion through email groups. Email groups are important targets for your promotions, and gaining their support can go a long way in increasing the popularity of your blog. Major sample of your target market. Email groups are created on the basis of shared interests or any other common factor. Email groups may be composed of people with the same hobby, living in the same area, or with the same occupation. Whatever the reason an email group had for establishing itself, what's important is for you to determine whether they can match the profile of your target market. When it does, getting the group hooked to your blog instantly lets you kill several birds with just one click. Unified response. Another great thing about tapping on email groups is the kind of relationships members have with each other and how group decisions are made. In email groups, there is always a clear distinction between moderators and ordinary members. When moderators make a decision, members almost always automatically perform a similar action. If you can manage to convince the moderators of the email group to visit your blog and maybe even link to it, you can expect the members to promote your blog as well. Convince the one that matters and you win all. Variety. As we've mentioned earlier on, email groups are established for varying reasons. It is unlikely, therefore, that you won't find any email group matching the description of your target market. As such, you should take the time to browse through email group directories. Pay attention to the information they've provided for their group and you'll know whether they're likely to be interested in your blog or not. How to tap on email groups. Now that you're aware of the importance of email groups, here are a few tips to effectively promote your blog through them. Join the group. Your messages will be welcomed more warmly if you join their group first. To do so, you'll usually need a valid email address, pass their security test, and maybe explain your reason for joining. While it's always good to be candid, it wouldn't hurt to mention any other reason you may have besides wanting a chance to promote your blog. If you're stuck for a reason, try thinking of yourself as an ordinary member instead. Think of the benefits you'll enjoy from joining the group and make sure to mention that. Know the rules. Every email group has rules for members to follow. Make sure you learn these carefully so that you avoid unknowingly violating any of their rules. Abiding by them as you start posting your messages to the group is sure to endear yourself to other members as well. Introduce yourself. Before posting any message, it's important to introduce yourself to other members. Remember to thank them for letting you join their group and take the time to get to know them as well. Introducing yourself is a great way to direct the conversation to your blog, and from there, you'll be able to start on your marketing plan. Return the favor. Last but not the least, remember to return the favor. If the email groups you've joined are working hard to promote your blog, you should return the favor and promote them as well. Doing that is good karma, and that's never bad for your business.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.